Spindle Machinery Consultants. We're doing a video here on 22.5 by 78 AXELSON. Happens to be a model 20W by 78. It's a lovely new arrival here at Machinery Consultants in Utah. Go ahead, Frank. Let's see what you got.
77.
That's 77 RPM. There's 24 speed ranges ranging from 13 to 1577. 54 threads.
232?
That's 232 RPM. We wanted to do a secondary video for inspection on the ways and the cross slide. Request came in to show off these ways a little bit more.
17.
That's 17 RPM. Coming back to the headstock ways. 15 horsepower main drive, D16 cam lock, 1 5/8 on the spindle board. Coolant's built into the chip pan. There's the rear electrics and the motor. Going back to the ways. Can't say enough about those. Real limited use, super clean machine. Cushman, 15-inch 3-jaw heavy pattern, steel body chuck. Here's your full-length taper attachment. The bed clamp. Dual graduated dial, so it basically goes from 0 to 250 one direction and 0 to 250 in the other direction. Set up like that on the cross slide as well as the compound. 2-speed tailstock, 1-to-1, 4-to-1. There's 2 steady rests. Clear, it looks good. Very nice. Nice demo. Perfect. Going back to the cross slide, just showing off the condition. There's more on the dial. So it literally goes from 0 to 250 clockwise and then another 0 to 250 counterclockwise. Very nice, very nice. Okay, inventory number is 2022-7557. Again, it's serial number 4493. It has the owner's manuals, a turning tool. It's a nice CA size on the tool post. Has the CA tool block, wedge style quick change with the boring bar holder. The 2 steadies, the life center, the taper attachment, the coolant, the 15-inch 3-jaw. Very nice package. Okay, should we do an outro? Okay.